everyone, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and thank you so much for the response to my last video. That was about 4 or 5 weeks ago now, so I'm so sorry it's taken me so long. After that video I did get a lot of requests to then do some cleaning hacks for the bedroom, so I have focused on that today. I have done a big deep clean of the bed. I have deodorised the mattress, changed the sheets, but also freshened up the headboard as well. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video. If you do, please make sure that you give it a like, and if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe.
Okay, so once the bedding has been removed, I always start off by dusting the headboard. The first of many hacks in this video is to use a lint roller for this. It picks up the dust really easily and it's such an inexpensive tool for dusting. Once the dust has been removed, I then use the pan lid hack to freshen up the headboard and remove any marks. To do this, I add half a litre of warm water, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda and half a teaspoon of dish soap to a bowl. I then wet a large cloth, wring it out and tie it around the pan lid. This helps the cloth to glide across the fabric, so I use this to scrub the headboard, rinsing and retying when needed. Some of you may have seen me using this hack over on my Instagram and TikTok accounts to clean my sofas and stairs, so it's such a versatile method, and again it's so easy and inexpensive. Following this, I then deodorise the mattress by sprinkling over bicarbonate of soda and a few drops of lavender essential oil. You want to leave this so it can soak up any odours, moisture and dirt from the mattress for around 15 minutes. So while the bicarbonate of soda is doing its thing, I then grab the lint roller again to dust my lampshades, and then I use a dryer sheet here to collect the dust from my lamp bases and also bedside tables. The static in the dryer sheet acts as a dust magnet, so it collects it really easily. After this, I then remove all the bicarbonate of soda from the mattress using a UV mattress vacuum. The UV is additional help to kill any bacteria lingering around. This one is cheap and cheerful. It was an Amazon find. It does the job, but I'm actually after something with better suction, so if you have any recommendations, please drop them in the comments. It's then time to put the fresh bedding on, starting with the pillows. I then have a duvet cover hack to share with you. Again, you may have seen this over on my Instagram and TikTok accounts, but if you haven't, this is such an easy way to put the duvet cover on your own. You start off by laying your duvet on the bed and then laying your duvet cover inside out on top, making sure to line up the corners. You then begin to roll the duvet up and over the sheet just like this, so really like you're rolling the duvet around the sheet. Once it's all rolled up, you then pull the bottom layer of the duvet cover up and over the rolled up duvet on both ends, so you're left with a roll with an opening all the way along. You then start carefully rolling it back out, and then that is it. So it takes a few practices, so sorry if I haven't explained it very well, but once you do it, it does become a lot clearer. I'll put the instructions in the description box as well, just in case anyone wants to read it, and I'll also add some of the links to our duvet and our bedding, as I'm often asked about them. And finally, once the bed is made, I then have one last hack to share with you, which is to add some Epsom salts to a little organza bag with a few drops of lavender essential oil. And then you just pop these into your cushions so they give a lovely smell as you come into the room. And even when you take the cushions off the bed to go to sleep at night, you can still smell the lingering scent, which is lovely. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please make sure you give it a like, and if you're not already, please make sure you subscribe. And if there's anything else you'd like to see or any other videos you'd like me to make for you, please just drop them in the comments below.